We're gonna go look at the desserts.
Yes.
Okay. I don't know why I just did that with my hand. Now we're gonna do desserts. So kind of the same like system as before. We tried to find desserts with kind of crazy names in Turkish, but that are also crazy delicious.
Yeah.
Teşekkürler. Always have to.
I can tell.
So this is,
Kazandibi.
which means the bottom of the cauldron. So you can actually see on the outside here, it has this nice
it's-
color, and that's actually getting it from the bottom of where it cooked. So fun fact, your last kid that you have is also called Kazandibi.
Yes. Exactly.
So like our last kid, you could call him Kazandibi. I like this stuff. The texture reminds me kind of mochi.
Yeah.
It's kind of soft like that. Yeah, but it's like, it's a muhallebi, so it's like a pudding you can cut, kind of.
Yeah.
This actually has a little bit of pounded chicken breast in it, which gives it an interesting texture and flavor, but sweet. So.
So good.
It's so good. It really reminds me a lot of mochi when you eat this.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. It tastes like mochi.
Yeah, right? I think it's great.
Not too sweet.
And then it has that like caramelized sugar taste from the,
Yeah. But
bottom.
not burnt.
but not burnt, yeah. That's good. It's really good. So this is called
Su muhallebisi.
su muhallebisi, which means water pudding. So it's interesting because in English, like pudding always means like when I say pudding, it's very specific consistency.
Yeah, more sukang.
Yeah, it's I almost like it. You can't cut it. Like if you can cut pudding, something went wrong. So,
Yeah.
but here muhallebi, which is typically translated as pudding, covers a wide variety of desserts, including the last one we ate. But this is more of a plain one with powdered sugar on top.
Yeah, actually it has rose water inside.
Ah, and some rose water. So see the consistency here? This one's not quite as thick as the other one, but interesting. So the actual pudding itself isn't super sweet, but it's got rose water on it, and then the powdered sugar gives it a nice sweetness.
And this is the general way of serving.
It's really interesting because the pudding itself isn't super sweet, but you get the strong like milk flavor from it, and it's really offset by the floralness, obviously, of the rose and the sugar. So that's great.
Very nice combination.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, this is called
Şekerpare.
or piece of sugar.
Yeah, it's a piece of sugar. Here.
Several pieces of sugar combined. So this is actually made with semolina flour. It kind of has an almond flavor. It's drizzled in sherbet, değil mi?
Sherbet, yes.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a
Sugar and lemon maybe.
yeah, sugar kind of lemon water thing on top of it. But yeah, let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. The outside is a little more firm. The inside's really soft.
Oh.
That's really good.
I think it has vanilla.
Yeah, it has some vanilla in it, some almond, I think. It's almost like eating really soft cookie dough, is what it reminds me of.
Yeah.
So good. Really good. Definitely need a sip of tea after that. It's very sweet.
It's very sweet, but so good. Last
Last but not least,
least.
we have kaymaçina, which is
Süt pidesi.
süt pidesi, alternately called,
Yeah.
which means milk pita.
Let's say kaymaçina.
Yeah,
It's better.
we'll say kaymaçina for this. So it, as you can see, I mean, it actually looks a little like flan. I mean, it's your kind of basic custard with eggs
Yeah.
and milk and
sugar.
Let's give it a try. This one you cut for sure.
Eggy.
It's very eggy. Same. Not as sweet as I was anticipating. Heavy on the
didn't
egg.
expect.
I did not expect.
If you like egg,
You were really like that.
okay.
All right. Kaymaçina. Back to şekerpare.
Yeah.
That's right here. All good stuff. This one is really
This
good.
one
It's-
is really good.
um,
And also, I like this one.
I usually don't like rose stuff, but I thought this was really nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then I always like kazandibi. I mean, just I think because of how much it reminds me of mochi. It's just such a, I don't know. These are all really good. I didn't care too much for that one. this one, Kai Machina can Kai over here.
It's like Kai.
Kai Sana Kai Machina.
It's like an omelette.
It is kind of like an omelet. That's a apt but unfortunate description. So big thank you to Lian for coming on the show and taking us to Kanaat Lokantası. That was great. You can find her on Instagram at
Bu kız apaç.
Ukız Hepaç. So, see you guys later.